Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the Promethean Whiteboard app. In order to access your Promethean Whiteboard app, you go to your menu button down there, touch your applications, and select Whiteboard. From here, your whiteboard can overlay on top of anything that you have open. To maximize that, we're going to push those opposable arrows. In your whiteboard, you have many features that you can access. If I touch this hashtag right here, it'll take me to templates that I can use. I can utilize lines. If I want to change the colors of those lines, I can change the colors just like that. I can also change the background if I wanted to have a different background. In your Promethean Whiteboard app, you have pins and highlighters. If you double tap, you could change the width of that pin. You can also access a highlighter simply by selecting the highlighter tool and then using your highlighting app to highlight. You have other color options down here. If you choose to get away from your normally selected options, you can touch this color palette that will offer you more access to other colors. If I touch this mountain scene right here, it'll take me to my gallery. Inside of my gallery, I can access a variety of charts and templates to use. For example, if I wanted to use my T-chart, I could pull a T-chart out, and now I can utilize my Promethean Whiteboard pin. Simply by double tapping here on the pin option, I can choose the width that I would like to go with. I can also select a highlighting tool, and I can use my finger to add annotations in highlight or in pin. Double tap, change the width. And now I can create annotations using my pen or my finger. If I don't like what's on the board, I can erase everything that I wrote, which will allow the template to remain. If I make a mistake and I don't want to erase that, I can simply come down here and undo anything that I did one step at a time. In your Promethean Whiteboard, you also have access to measurement tools. So if I want to use a ruler, I can pull my ruler out. Simply by doing a long hold touch here with either my pen or my finger, I can make a straight edge now. Again, double tapping here to change the width. My lines can be as large or as small as I want them to be. Once I'm done using that tool, I can push X and close, and I can use this infinite whiteboard space to have plenty of writing room. And that's your Promethean Whiteboard app.